by a no splash entry. Right? Will's trying to hold the boat. Right? It's about as clean as you can make it because the water's pushing against us. So as he travels, go under this, go, put the camera. There you go. No trouble. Very noisy. You can. They'll still move the boat, but it's not as clean as this. This is effortless. This takes no effort because I'm just sitting up with it. But this, sometimes you have to do that to get on a bum, right? Well,
Yeah.
just to get on a bum. But if you do that, go back to the long draw so you can get on the bum and continue. And that's what cavitation is, air pockets.
Entry of the stroke.
Well, you're not doing that now, right? Nice and clean. And sometimes you had to do that to get on the bump.
Sometimes it's good. So, like I was talking about, out in the bay, when you're transitioning between your normal long stroke where you're like this, and then getting on the bump, sometimes you just don't care. You're just gonna hammer to get on the bump.
Yeah.
You'll be at your long stroke, and then here comes the bump. So you go. Problem with that is it's not as efficient. You're not grabbing the water, right? You can't transfer as much momentum onto the blade. What you're gonna do after you go bam, 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 then you're gonna go back, reach it out, nice long.
There's no cavitation. Right, folks?
There you go.
Clean.
And that's all there is to it.
Nothing else.
Yeah.
If you can master that, you've mastered 60% of paddling pretty much, right? The catch is everything.
Well, and you'll get better at changing gears over. Yep.